In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of the use of language in context. In context, I discussed the topic that was about presupposition and its types. I told you about existential presupposition, factive presupposition, non-factive presupposition, and yesterday our topic was lexical presupposition. Today I'm going to teach you structural presupposition. What is structural presupposition and what are practical examples of structural presuppositions? Listeners and ideas, whenever we are talking about structural presupposition, it is related with structure. It is related with certain words or phrases. I'm repeating. Structural presupposition, it is a presupposition which is related with certain words and phrases. It presupposes that a part of the structure which is already assumed to be true. And such structure occurs and happens in WH question. Listeners and ideas. When a speaker asks question by another person, so when he asks question, so then he assumes and he thinks that the statement is true. He assumes that that statement is true because of the structure. And he believes that that information utterance is true. It is because of the WH question. Let me provide some examples. One example is, for example, we say, when did he travel? When did he travel to Arabia? Listeners and writers, you see, when did he travel to Arabia? When a speaker asks question, it means he knows. He presupposes that that someone who is he traveled. So the presupposition, the structural presupposition of this utterance is that he traveled. Okay. Next example is, where did you buy this book? You see this example, where did you buy this book? Where did you buy this book? So due to the structure, you see, the presupposition of this utterance is that you bought the book. It means that you bought the book. So listeners and ideas, hope that now you know about structural presupposition. That structural presupposition, it is a presupposition or assumption which is associated with certain phrases and certain word structure. It is based on certain phrases and structure and phrases and word as well. And I also told you that here the presupposition or the structural presupposition, it presupposes that. It presupposes that whatever words, whatever utterance is asked by the speaker is assumed to be true. It is because of what? It is because of WH question as well. And WH question, the role of WH its question, and the structure is also important, and and structure presupposition. So hope that this topic is clear to you.